it's Agnieszka from Violet Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello. Today we're going to show you my quick haul, which I've just received recently. Over here I've got 6 different sticker packs and also like some kind of metal discs, classic metal red discs. So I'm just going to show you very quickly what's in here. So red discs, I always wanted to have classic metal red discs. So I'm using classic planner, and classic size usually is good for me. I'm actually thinking about preparing for this year like a little Christmas planner. I absolutely love Christmas, and where I kind of thought like red discs would be absolutely perfect for that. Let's just have a look exactly how they look like. So the discs look like that. Wow, they're so shiny. I definitely prefer metal discs than the plastic ones. And wow, I don't have red ones. I never had red ones, so I'm super pleased about them. Like, I think they look amazing. Definitely will be used for Christmas. Wow, so nice. And I've got few sticker books. First of them is colorful boxes. So I didn't have it. Like, I love colorful boxes, stickers. I'm using them quite regularly, like, I mean, different colorful boxes stickers. With this one I didn't have it, so I thought I'm gonna add it to my collection of colorful boxes stickers. So let's just have a quick flip through of what's exactly in it. Okay, so I've seen those stickers, like, I remember on a previous in a past. So that's the copper stickers. I like the shapes. I like different shapes. I'm not a huge fan of foil stickers, but sometimes I'm using them, like, you know, as an addition to something. That color, that copper color, that copper foil is very nice actually. Those colors, wow, those shades are actually really nice. They're like blue and very pale blue. I definitely don't have anything similar. Oh, they actually look really nice. And this one obviously is like a quite bright blue, I would say. And those are in color as well with the copper foil, and that's actually like pale blue inside as well in here. And more like kind of like grey and taupe and blue. I kind of like the color combination actually. Yeah, they look super. I really like them. And then we got into greens. Again, greens obviously, you know, it is kind of good color to use quite often for Christmas and also for summer as well. I like it on summer spreads as well. Yeah, it looks really nice. I like those long boxes, and this one actually, the split boxes as well. I think they look really nice. Again, I don't have similar shades at all of those boxes. Yeah, they're nice. Those boxes are actually small boxes. They look like that. So yeah, definitely very useful ones. Wow, they're quite nice. Yeah, nice colors. I like them a lot. And what we have over here? Okay, and over here we've got green and that copper foil as well. That actually look really nice. I really like this color combination. That's, you know, that's how the foil should look like actually. Look really nice. Okay, so purple is my favorite shade, but I'm not 100% sure about purple and copper. Maybe that will gonna grow on me, but I'm not 100% sure about all of those combinations of colors. Those combinations of colors though are amazing. I love them. Purple, different kind of purple. Yeah, like a lilac, very nice. Yeah, they're really nice. I like them a lot. Definitely see myself using them. What we have in here, different ones as well. Yeah, I like those split ones. They're kind of different than all of the boxes I've got at the moment. Nice. Okay, and over here it's a blue, but more like a teal color. So this one is like a turquoise, like maybe teal color, teal shade, quite nice as well. But those are kind of more like a baby blue. They're going probably very well with those boxes at the beginning of the book as well. And those again with the copper foil. The green with copper foil look really nice. And a bit more different kind of blue and greenish combinations. Oh, and okay, and with purple as well, so they kind of like, you can kind of mix and match them. Yeah, they look nice as well. And yellows and reds, and a bit of orange in here as well. And that looks really nice with the copper foil as well. That looks really sunny. That almost look like a sunset. Very nice. Yeah, that's super nice. I like the yellow heart as well. Very nice. Yeah, they definitely remind me of sunset. And then we get into pink and copper. again, a bit different combination. Oops. And then some kind of pink and a bit of orange as well. Quite interesting, some of them. I mean, I wouldn't put pink and orange necessarily together, but you know what, it kind of works somehow on the page. I like this pattern as well. Yeah. Okay, so you know, very nice sticker book. Obviously, this sticker box is with some kind of, you know, useful, colorful boxes. Definitely gonna use them. Another like kind of practical book is with the appointments. Again, I've seen lots of boxes in here. I was quite pleased when I seen it for the first time, so I thought definitely gonna get them. By the way, all those stickers which I've got on some kind of different sales, and I've thought for the price I was paying, it was worth it for me to get them. So appointment boxes, I like the different kind of blue and navy shades. Very nice. I just generally like the shape of those boxes, so they're quite nice. I'm not sure if I necessarily would use all of them for appointments, because this one's saying like, you know, 5 appointments during the week. You know, if you're a busy person, you might need so many of them. I'm not sure if I will need so many of them per week, but that kind of single one's probably more useful for me. But you know, but for those kind of boxes, obviously you can just kind of use some different stickers to you know, to cover part of it, and you know, then it will be very useful sticker, I think. Those shades are really nice as well, like green ones and like a deep green. Like I really like this one, almost like a forest color. And that's kind of different kind of shade of green. Yeah, wow, nice, very nice. And that's working very well. That foil is not copper. This foil is gold, and it's actually working very nice with green and also with yellow. That's working very good as well. Yes, you know, it's lots of colors. Obviously, you're gonna work very well with the previous book, but that we're gonna work well with most of the books, I would think. I'm kind of thinking about this book almost as a colorful boxes. Again, I know every single one of them is saying appointment, but I'm kind of thinking about different kind of colorful boxes. So yeah, when I've seen this one, I just thought I'm just gonna get it as well. This pink works very well with that gold foil as well. Oh, and the purples. Wow, they're nice. Oh, I actually like all of those colors, all of those shades of the purple. Very nice. Oh, very nice. I like them. Oh, and that's kind of different appointments. Okay, so we have her appointments. I think we know those ladies from bookish sticker books already. Her appointment is quite nice. That's different kind of appointment. So an appointment at. Okay, then we have the appointment with the rainbows as well. That's quite nice as well. It's very cool and cheerful, very happy planner type, I would say. Oh, and the big ones, big appointments as well. I like that kind of big stickers in my planner, so yeah, I like them as well. I think I prefer those without the foil, but I think they just look very nice, actually, all of them. Oh, and that with little animals, that could be like good for vet appointment, for example. Oh, little plants as well. And over here saying cancelled, so lots of cancelled meetings are scheduled in here on the sides as well. Yeah, super book. Yes, I like it a lot. This sticker book I wanted to get for quite a while. It was very hard to get it in UK where I'm living. It's about all the habit trackers in here. So let me just have a look through that. I think it's really good as well. I like habit tracking as well. So like I said, I was kind of keen to get this book as well. So those are kind of different habit tracker stickers than we usually see outside. Those they remind me the one from first wellness book. So that's kind of like honeycomb shape. They're quite interesting. Oh, those look really nice as well. That's quite cool actually. I like them. I like them a lot. Those. You got it, and then you've got a gun for habit trackers. That could be good, that could be interesting, like on a sidebar, for example. Get it, girl. So this one I'm guessing will be like about 31 of them maybe, and then another ones. Yeah, they look nice, and that's different. I don't think I've seen that shape of habit tracking stickers anywhere. in Happy Planners yet. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think I've seen them in a while. Oh, those look good. Okay, Daily Habits, Track It, Daily Habits, and 21 Days to a Habit. Wow, that's quite cool as well. And again, I don't think I've seen that kind of style of habit trackers and when Happy Planner stickers. That was quite cool as well. So that's a week in here again. Yeah, nice. And then focus, yay, yes, actually done. And some nice quotes as well. And then we've got some sticky notes. I really like those sticky notes as well with the habits. Those especially obviously, but that's quite nice as well. And then we've got some motivational cards in here as well. Habits are foundation for success. And then there are also habits over here. Planning it out, who, what, where, when. 21 days to a habit. Make happiness a habit. And then habit stickers on the back for a month. That's quite cool actually. Don't be busy, just be productive. This week's crochet list. The 21-90 rule. It takes 21 days to create a habit and 90 days to create a lifestyle. Really cool as well. So, you know, some kind of motivation in here as well. Daily goal tracker. So all of this, quite a few of them. And tracking healthy habits, and there's space for 3 in here. And then for tracking 3 of those habits on the back. And there's quite a few of those as well. Yeah, that's really nice sticker book. I actually really like this one. Then I've got Glamgar, so I've got most of the Glamgar stickers actually. I think probably all of them which came out, and that was the last one which I was missing. So well, let me just tell you fast, like I absolutely love this sticker. Sticky notes, I think they're just gorgeous. Nice. And then also let's have a look at those stickers. Yeah, nice ones. Oh, very, very, very nice ones. I hope I didn't buy this one previously, because I've got so many stickers, sometimes I actually forgetting if I've got this one, but I don't think I've got that one actually. This sticker is lovely. I like it a lot. Important, remember to do. And then be you, stay happy, glam life, so check. It's a little dressing table, really nice. I like how they go in, like, you know, the basically they sort out by color. I like them as well, especially when you use them with the other. When I'll be using them with different longer stickers, would be nice to easy to find kind of like matching color in here. Oh, I like this sticker a lot. I like this dark color coming out of it as well. Yay, very nice. And then we've got again those cards. Make today as good as your hair flip. Nice. Again, you totally got it. And there's quite a few more. Really darling. Top 3 things, that's quite nice as well. And again, like, you know, because there's lots of animal print, I obviously like them. Make today fabulous, and there's like a list on front and on the back, and there's quite a few of those in here. And then also daily focus, and then Monday to Saturday, Monday to Sunday. Sunday is quite long in here. And on the back, keep on crocheting it. So there's like a list over there, and there's quite a few of those as well. Yeah, that's quite cool as well. I like this one a lot. And like I said, that's the keynotes. Wow, super good. And then also I've got this one. I've got this with little wellness planning again. I didn't have this sticker before. I was thinking previously about buying it, but I never did, and I've got it on the offer, and I thought, yeah, I think it meant to be. It's different color palette than usually the stickers I'm buying, but it's kind of different color palette for wellness stickers as well, because usually for some reason I think because Happy Planner came out before with like lots of purple, pink, kind of purple and pink shades, I'll kind of associate them with wellness planning, I think, but not, those are kind of orange, so they look a bit different. They're really nice as well though. So again, they've got like lots of different nice quotes. Your day is as good as your mindset. Learn to reset. Oh no, God, learn to rest. It's actually quite nice color palette on this. I like the sticker. We are all a work in progress. I like the sticker a lot. Those colors, they kind of reminds me like a desert colors almost. Those stickers are super. Wow, they're nice. Very, very nice. don't let small things get to you. That's not very nice. Today I feel checking in. Morning reflection in here. Different kind of reflections. Then evening reflection. Social media free day. Go on a walk. Set a small attainable goal. Write a thankful note to someone. I think every single one of these is different actually. Every single one of those prompts is different. There's more, okay, wellness tasks in here. Turn off your phone, spend time with a friend, plan something outside, go walk. All of them are obviously different. Read a favorite book, develop, plan a night in with friends, and you know, lots of different ones in here. Nice. And then me time, relax, lazy day. Those little nice stickers. I do like those stickers a lot. Today was busy day. Today was again. Those stickers are really nice as well. Today's mood. Wow. I like the fonting on them and I like the shape as well. Really nice. Exercise today again. Today was again. Wow, they're super nice. This week habit, and then the habits for a week, and then me time on those stickers. Weekly challenge, again, like little habit stickers. They kind of different shape than usual habit stickers, I would say. Okay, there's more of them. They're actually starting from Sunday. Yeah, all of them are starting from Sunday. Yes, all of them are starting from Sunday. Yeah, from Sunday. So it's going quite well because you're going Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like it's going like that. I was kind of like trying to read it like that. Ways I'm adding to my physical wellness, ways I'm adding to my emotional wellness, ways I'm adding to my social wellness. Quite nice actually. Ways I'm adding to my spiritual wellness, to my mental wellness, career wellness. Busy doing nothing, relax, stay present. Chill out, just begin. And more quotes in here. Take a breath. Be consistent to see a change happen. Oh, those are really big ones. Chill out. Be kind. Stay present. Another one. And more quotes. I like the amount of quotes in here as well. Wow. I have to be honest. Like I like the sticker box much more than I thought I'm gonna like it. I'm quite surprised actually how much I'm liking it. I think it's very, very nice. Wow, okay, that's probably my favorite so far from the whole stickers I've bought. And the last sticker which I've got is squat goals. I don't have this one. I didn't have this one before. I've got the other two stickers which with the squat ladies. I think first of them was squat guys. The other one I don't remember how it's called. This is squat goals or something like that. I think similar to this one, but that's not the one which I've got. So let's just have a look what's in them. So again, like I like the characters of those little guys in here. Very nice. Very, very nice. Happy weekend, cheers to the weekend vibes, hooray for the weekend. Nice. And then again, those long boxes, I like them a lot. They with the gold foil in here. Okay, so there's one big one in here, and there are four small ones for a horizontal planner. That's quite cool. I like those arrows in here as well. I remember arrows. And those flowers are lovely as well. I like them a lot. Yeah, wow, this sticker is super. Oh, that's so nice as well. Yeah. That kind of reminds me of Harry Potter, but it's obviously different colors. But yeah, and that's kind of remind me, obviously, office work. And relax, best weekend ever, bring on the weekend. Nice. Again, those long ones as well. Yeah, wow, that's just really nice sticker book, isn't it? Again, similar colors. That's quite little big ideas on the laptop in here. I got the planner as well, and coffees and teas. Okay, you got this. And then some kind of yoga guys in here. They're obviously exercise and stuff, to be good for fitness for fitness planner as well. Good vibes, yes, go and breathe. Things to do. Yeah, really nice. Oh, and over here, what do we have in here today? That's the stickers, really nice. Yeah, wow, that's super. That's really nice. Yeah, very nice. That's it. So that was Squad Goals. So stickers and classic metal disc. I have to be honest, this wellness planning sticker books is definitely my favorite in this pile. Well, I like it a lot. I'm definitely gonna use it probably quite soon on some kind of spreads, wellness spreads maybe. So please let me know, what do you think about my haul? Do you have all those stickers? What do you think about the discs? Would you use them for Christmas as well? I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you at my next videos. Bye.